Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to view all Discord messages. So actually in Discord, there is no option that you can see this how to see old or how to see old chats or messages. But if you want to see or look at the old messages here in Discord, what you're going to do is to simply go and look for that person's specific name and then tap that, then you will see older messages or chats. Now, in case that that person is not here anymore, then go to the search icon and then search that person's username. And then once you found that, then click, then probably you will see your previous conversations or old messages. So you just have to look at person specific name here. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like if you're going to delete or if you have accidentally deleted a conversation here. And is there any possible way to see or look at that older version or old conversation, even if you deleted or you have deleted this person's conversation? So I'm going to tap a specific user here, and then I will delete our conversation, and let's see if we can still see this after I have deleted this conversation. Okay, so I'm going to delete this user and then tap this three dots. Now click this close the end. So you will see that this person or this user is no longer here. So what if you want to look at the older messages you have with this person? So all you have to do is to go to the search icon and then search that person's username or name here in Discord, and you will be amazed at that you can still see or you will be able to see older conversation or older messages even if you have deleted this person's conversation or your conversation with this user. And that's how you easily view old Discord messages. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.